Hi, this is Mr. Max with some Go for Mathematics. So, if you have this type of calculator, I want to show you how you can use this calculator to do operations with matrices. So, suppose I am inputting a matrix. So, you go to Mode, and then you have got options here. You choose option 6 for matrices. Then they give you matrix A, matrix B, matrix C as an option. So, I'm going to hit 1 for matrix A, and I'm going to use a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, so I'm going to choose option 5, and now you go ahead and you enter the elements. So for example 5, then you press equal to, maybe minus 6, hit equal to, 3 equal to, and maybe 4 equal to, and you go ahead and you press on. So it is already stored on your calculator. So now what you need to do, suppose I want to find or add this matrix to another matrix. So I'm going to go ahead, hit mode again. Then I choose matrix. And then I'm going to choose 2 for matrix B. And let me use also a 2 by 2 matrix, because if I add matrices, they must be of the same size, the same order. So I'm going to add some values here. So that's 6, perhaps negative 7, perhaps 0, and perhaps a 5 here. And then I press on again. So now I want to add those matrices, so I'm going to go to Shift, and I press number 4 here for matrix, and I'm going to choose matrix A, which is third here, so 3, and I'm going to add Shift again, hit 4 for matrix, and matrix B is here over 4. All right, and then you just go and click on the equal sign, and now you have your answers for the sum of matrix A and B. All right, you can move around for you to see the values. Okay, right, so I'm going to clear that so that I can show you perhaps how you find how do you multiply two matrices. For example, I'm going to work again with a 2 by 2 matrix. So let's see, let's pick mode, hit 6 for matrix, let's say 1 for matrix A. Let's take a 3 by 2 matrix, or let's have a 5, number 5 here for 2 by 2 matrix. So we're going to put in some values. 3 equals to maybe negative 8 equals to 5 equals to, and let's say 3 equals to. Okay, so you can write them down, or just pause the video and see. You do it on your own. Press on, and I'm going to go again to mode, and I'm going to hit 6 again. So on the second matrix B, and I want it to be a 2 by 2 matrix, so I hit 5, and I'm going to add values. So I'm just picking random values here. All right, and 6, enter, and perhaps 3, enter. Now I'm pressing the on button. So matrix A and B are stored on the calculator. So I'm going to say Shift, hit 4. I'm going to pick matrix A, that is 3. Now multiply that. Okay, just press the times button, Shift again, then multiply that with matrix 4. So this is matrix A times matrix B. You press equal to, there you have the product. Okay, so you can go around and choose the values and see how it's in the inputs are done. Okay, so I'm going to clear again so that we can perhaps do the inverse of a matrix. Okay, or let's say we do the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. So again, I'm going to choose matrix, hit 6. Let's say matrix A. Let's take a 2 by 2 matrix. All right, so let me input some values here. 4 equal to negative 8 equal to 3 equal to maybe 0 equal to. Let me press on. Now I want to find the determinant of that matrix. Okay, so Shift matrix, and then you go here for where it says that. So I choose 7, and I need to go and find my matrix. So Shift matrix, and that was matrix A. So I'm going to close my bracket. So what it's going to do is going to calculate the determinant. Now remember, the determinant is a value. All right, it can be positive or negative value. If it's 0, it means the inverse for that particular matrix does not exist. Okay, so that's how you find the determinant. So let me just clear this again. All right, so that I can quickly do something else. So I'm going to go hit 6, I'm going to find the inverse of a matrix. So I'm choosing again a 2 by 2 matrix. So maybe I put here 5 equal to 6 equal to maybe -7 equal to, and let's say 3 equals to. Okay, let's make sure that it has a determinant. All right, so I'm going to then press my own button, and I'm going to go Shift, pick 4 for matrix. Remember, I want to find the inverse of that matrix. So I'm going to choose my matrix. So I'm going to pick 3. And to find the inverse, you press this x raised to the -1 power button here. That is the inverse button. All right. And then you just hit enter, and what it did is give you decimal values but also fractional values. So that is how you find the inverse of a matrix, a 2 by 2 matrix or any matrix of that kind. Okay, thank you for watching.